Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm going to show you this whole goat milk. So it's a goat milk and from a company known as Delemera dairy, UHT whole goat's milk. Over here you can see the pic of a goat also, and whoa, a mild, easy to digest and natural alternative to cow milk. So it's an alternative to cow milk if you don't have available, so you can go for this also. Goat milk is the most wild drink milk worldwide, so it is available worldwide and people drink it mostly. What all nutritional information is there, it's mentioned over here, and nothing else. Just start to open this can. Not exactly a can, it's a not even a bottle, it's a tetra pack. So I'm taking a glass and I'm gonna pour it. Oh, it's very thick, as you can see from the color. It looks really thick and it's very nice. Let's have a taste. Like it. So go and try this. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press that bell icon for more my videos. Thank you.